touch to click. In this video, I'll show you how to shorten video duration in CapCut, so you can quickly trim your clips and keep only the best parts. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Drag your video onto the timeline at the bottom, because the timeline is where you edit and control the length of your clip. Step 2. Hover your mouse over the beginning or end edge of the video clip until the trim handle appears, which lets you adjust the duration easily. Step 3. Click and drag the edge inward to cut off unwanted parts, helping you shorten the video and keep only the section you need. Method 2. Step 1. Place the playhead on the exact point where you want to cut, as the playhead shows the precise frame for splitting. Step 2. Click the split button or press the shortcut key to divide the clip into 2 parts, making it easier to remove a section. Step 3. Select the unwanted split portion by clicking on it in the timeline so you can modify or remove it. Step 4. Press the delete key to remove that part, instantly shortening your video duration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.